Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily get to the top of your chats in WhatsApp. Now unfortunately there isn't a button which can take us straight to the top. I'm not sure why WhatsApp doesn't have this as a feature already, but it is something they should add. So the way we're going to get around this is to first go into the chat where you want to get to the top of it. From there you just want to select the person's name at the top. And then you want to select media, links and docs, which is here. Now this will show you all the photos and videos you have that have been sent into the chat with that person. Now to get to the top of this, you just want to click to the top of your screen, which will scroll you all the way up to the top and show you the first media and videos you actually ever sent. Now because I'm screen recording, it won't let me click the top of my screen, so I'm just going to scroll up quick and then I'll get back to you in a second. So I'm right at the top now. This is photos that were sent in August 2020 and this was the first media that was sent in this chat. So what you want to do is you just want to click on the photo, and at the bottom here there's a little star icon. You just want to click this star. Now from here you can just close the photo and you can exit this back onto this page, and as you can see just under media, links and docs there is a bit that says starred messages here. So you just want to click on that and here you will see the photo which you just saved. So what you can do from here is just tap to the side of it on this black space. It will actually take you to that photo. Luckily the first ever message in this chat was this photo that I just selected, so it's taken me all the way to the top and I actually can't go any higher because this is the start of the chat. However, you might have sent a photo a bit later on, so what you want to do is you want to go to the oldest photo like I just did, but if the chat still goes on more, what you want to do is you want to keep clicking the top of your screen, which will automatically scroll you forward. So you basically just want to keep clicking the top of your screen until you end up at the top of your chat like this. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below that it helped and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.